Hello everyone, I'm Phil the Puppet Boy, and today I'm on the farm. Ooh, yeah. I tell you, I watch Shaun the Sheep, and this is where they live on the farm. I know. Oh, it's so cool. Did you know there are so many types of jobs you can do on the farm? Yeah, like sheep ranchers. They make sure they keep the sheep safe and sound. You know what else? Milking the cows. I wish I could milk a cow right now. But hey, let's pretend we're gonna milk a cow. And you know what's best the cows make? Milk. And did you know what else they would do? The best part of having fun on the farm is riding on horses. Yeah. Giddy up. Giddy up, cowboy. Yeah, giddy up. Yeah. You know what else is cool? Sheeps. Like Shaun the Sheep. Bah. Bah. Usually our job is to make wool. Yeah. They make really good wool out of sheeps. Let's see. You know what else is good for? That's right. Right. You can, you know where bacon comes from? I'm not gonna tell you. You have to find that out for yourself. Okay, let's see. What else is there? Can you give me a minute? Thank you. Oh, yeah, the grass feels lovely. Yeah, the grass feels very good. You know what else they have on farms? Garden, right. They have a really great garden. The farm I'm visiting, every farm is a little different from other farms. Gardens there, animals over there. Usually, gardens here, and animals over there. You know what my favorite animal is? Dogs. I know dogs are just a usual pet. You know, if I chose a cat, guess what my favorite thing to say would be? Bacon wrap cats. Yeah, free range bacon wrap cats. Wish I had a picture to show you, but it's really funny when I say bacon wrap cats. So anyway, I am Phil the Puppet Boy, coming to you from my awesome farm here. Anyway, please subscribe to Phil the Puppet Boy, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. I gotta go ride some horses. Giddy up, cowboy. Giddy up. Bye. Giddy up, cowboy.